I came to know about this meditation called Vipassana meditation in the year 1998, and I was so curious. I traveled about 180 kilometers from Hyderabad to the city of Hyderabad to know more about this Vipassana meditation, and I got to know that there is a meditation center near a place called Industrial Exhibition Grounds those days, and I traveled the whole night to reach the place about 4:30 in the morning, and just about when people were starting to go on their morning walks, and I was asking everybody about this address, and an old gentleman, I asked him like, sir, can you please help me? I'm looking for this Vipassana meditation center near the Industrial Exhibition Grounds. Can you please direct me, help me? And he said, what, you're so young, you want to learn about meditation? And yeah, I said yes, I'm fascinated by this, and I really want to learn about meditation. And he asked me, where are you from? And I told him that I've traveled about 180 kilometers to this city, and I'm not well acquainted with the city. And then he said, well, what brings you to the city and what makes you curious about meditation? And I really, instead of avoiding the question, I decided to answer the question and interact with this old gentleman. And then he said like, I'm going on a morning walk, and come with me, I'll show you the place. And I went on that walk for about 45 minutes, and then he brought me back walking to the same place where we had started. And I was surprised because that's where we started. And I asked him like, sir, we have come back to the same place, so can you please help me locate this place? And he said, here's the place, it was right beside. And I said, well, it was right beside, and you could have told me about an hour ago that this was a place. And he said, well, gentlemen, I really loved that conversation. I was so happy and excited to see a young boy fascinated by meditation, and that's why I wanted to have a conversation with you. But here's the good news. The good news is that I am the manager of this meditation center, and I loved your passion about meditation. So don't worry, please give me your address, and you will have all the details in 3 days. And I'll send you all the details, through a courier, and you will receive them. And this is my contact number. Give me a call whenever you have any doubts. And surprisingly, he stood by his commitment, and I received all the details in 3 days. And I learned, this is what happens. Serendipity happens. Serendipitous moments are created when you're open to conversations, when you're open to receive questions and answer them.